In this video, I'll show you how to check your PC specs in Windows 11. Method 1. Check PC specs using Settings. Click on Start and open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll down to the bottom and select About. Here, you can see your device name, processor, installed RAM, system type, Windows version, and build number. Method 2. Full system information. Right-click on Start and select Run. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. Here, you'll find complete system information about your PC. Method 3. Graphics card information. Right-click on Start and select Run again. Type DXDIAG and press Enter. Here, you can check your DirectX version, display adapter details, graphics information, memory, and sound devices. So that's how you can check PC specs in Windows 11. That's all for today. See you in the next video.